Hi, this is Troy from Wood and Wonders. What in the heck should you do when you have all this sawdust left over? If you're like me and you're working and you're planing and you're sanding, especially with end joiners and helical head planers, you are going to have a ton of sawdust left over. We actually have a 55-gallon drum that collects those through our filtration system. But what do you do with all of it? At one point, we used to be putting it in our backyard and trying to fill things in. Doesn't work very well. I ran into a couple of farmers that raise chickens, and they love that stuff for their chickens. So if you can somehow do some checking on who does that kind of thing, uh, ask on social media, whatever in your area, and I'll tell you what, they are usually more than happy to come pick up. We bag it, they come and pick it up in the evening, and then we find that we have some eggs every once in a while too. So it's a win-win for everybody. So hope that helps you. Please consider subscribing to us. Again, thanks for watching.